Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable spring rolls. First, select your favorite fresh vegetables such as carrots, cabbage, and bell peppers. Next, finely shred or dice these ingredients to create a delicious, uniform filling. Ensure you have your spring roll wrappers, cooking oil, and a tasty dipping sauce prepared. This simple preparation makes the rolling process much smoother and more enjoyable for everyone. Now, let's get to the fun part, filling and rolling. Take one spring roll wrapper and place approximately 2 tablespoons of your prepared vegetable filling near the bottom edge. Carefully fold the bottom edge over the filling, then fold in both side edges towards the center. Roll the wrapper tightly from the bottom upwards, creating a neat cylinder. Use a little water on the top edge to seal it securely. Once your spring rolls are assembled, it's time to cook them to crispy perfection. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pan or wok. Carefully place a few spring rolls into the hot oil, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally, until golden brown and crispy. Remove and drain any excess oil on a wire rack or paper towels. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade vegetable spring rolls. Serve them immediately while they are hot and crispy, perhaps with a delicious, sweet chili dipping sauce. These delightful rolls make a fantastic appetizer for any gathering or a light, flavorful meal on their own. They are incredibly versatile and always a crowd pleaser. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.